Okay, we're here at go-to-math.com, working some calculus. Let's go down here to the first derivative test, and I believe we're doing 4-2. So let's try to get that to come up. There it is. Okay, find where the function is increasing and decreasing. Now remember, the first thing we want to find is that critical number, and then we're going to do a number line and some test points and check those test points out. But we can see by looking at the graph that it's decreasing here at looks like 1, and then it's increasing, right? So we read this from left to right, coming in from negative infinity, our x values, right? As our x values approach 0, the graph is decreasing, and actually it's decreasing up to 1, and then our x values, and that's what we're looking at, is the domain. Alright, so let's just see, x squared minus 2x, let's remember that. X squared minus 2x. And alright, so we have f of x is equal to x squared minus 2x. So the first thing we want to do is take the derivative. Set the derivative equal to 0. We're looking for those test points. So I'm just going to plug c in for x there. And as you can see here, our critical number is going to be c is equal to 1, right? Because 2 times 1 is 2, minus 2 is 0. So there's our critical number. Now what we'll want to do is a number line. I'll attempt to draw a number line there. I'm going to put 1 on the number line. And now what we're going to want to do is pick a test point. So let's pick something easy like 0 to the left of it. And then we'll pick 2 to the right of it. So just something to the left, to the right, it doesn't matter. Now when we take 0, and now what we want to do is do f prime of 0. Right, take that test point, plug it into the derivative up here, so we end up with 2 times 0 minus 2, and that's negative 2. So what we're interested in here is the sign. So it's negative, and that means that the graph is decreasing. Okay, the graph is decreasing up to 1. And then we do f prime and then plug 2 in. Right, so we have 2 times 2 minus 2, and that's going to be a positive number. Okay, so it's going to be 4 minus 2 is 2. So that's a positive number. That's what we're really interested in, if it's positive or negative. So then that's going to be increasing. Right, so any number you pick after 1 right here and plug it into the derivative, this number is going to be positive. And same thing holds anything just to the left. Anything to the left, to any number, it doesn't matter. To the left of 1, this is going to be negative, alright? So it looks like that we've got decreasing from negative infinity up to 1, and increasing from 1 to infinity. Alright? Easy enough. Let's check it out. Of course, you can tell right here up to 1. We can tell by just looking at the graph, can't we? Well, let's make sure that the programming is correct. It was decreasing from negative infinity to 1 and increasing from 1 to infinity. So you're going to want to come on over and practice this stuff, and I may talk with you there. All right, bye.